of Asia, Bengaluru hosts spectacular grand finale of Phoenix Mega Model Hunt 2025. Bollywood star Dino Moria and Miss Teen Universe India 2024 Karisa Bopanna headline as showstoppers. Bengaluru, 6th October 2025, marking one of the biggest moments on Bengaluru's fashion calendar. The Phoenix Mega Model Hunt 2025 concluded on Saturday, 4th October 2025, with a glittering grand finale at Phoenix Mall of Asia, Bengaluru, the city's premier destination for shopping, dining, and culture. Curated by fashion impresario Prasad Bidapa, the event came alive with spectacular runway showcases, iconic judges, and the debut of India's most promising new faces in fashion. This year's edition saw more than 3,000 applicants, with the top 93 finalists chosen for days of grooming, training, and rehearsals under the guidance of industry experts Prasad Bidapa, Kevin Oliver, Nainika Chatterjee, Ari Dabas, and Rahul Nagraj. The grand final reached its peak as Sara Shah and Dhyan Nandkumar sparkled in Best Skin, Evangeline Sona and Abhijit SK ignited the floor as Best Dancers, Siddharth Nair stunned with Best Gender Fluid Styling, Astha Singh and Mahesh claimed Best Body, Khushbu Beniwal, Nitin Kumar and Tanish Raju captivated as future TV star winners, Himpa Muthamma and Suhail impressed as Best Print Model winners. Samiksha SR and Amal Johnny broke through as future Sandalwood star winners, Disha Salanke and Abhinav Verma lit up as future Bollywood star winners, and Khushina, Prithvi Purohit and Kartik Chaudhary owned the runway as Best Runway Model winners. The runway came alive with striking collections from Satya Pol, Ritu Kumar, Superdry, Hung Kamola, Brooks Brothers, Calvin Klein, Armani Exchange, Tommy Hilfiger, Renu Tandon and Shantanu and Nikhil, amplifying the glamour of the final. Renu Tandon, arriving straight from Paris Fashion Week Season 4, unveiled the festive Diwali collection that turned the runway into a canvas of color, sparkle, and craftsmanship, creating a visual extravaganza of fireworks on stage. Bollywood star Dino Moria and Miss Teen Universe India 2024 Karisa brought the house down as the showstoppers of the evening, commanding the runway with unmatched elegance and flair. Complementing the evening's energy, Ajit Shetty, India's top male belly dancer and viral sensation, delivered captivating performances that infused the evening with rhythm, drama, and artistry, keeping the audience enthralled. The star power extended into the audience with celebrity guests, who cheered the finalists in a night that will be remembered as one of Bengaluru's most iconic fashion celebrations. As the runway dimmed, the revelry carried forward into the Diwali Royal, an exclusive after-party filled with music, international performances, socializing, and festive grandeur. The celebration underscored Phoenix Mall of Asia's role as the city's most glamorous destination, where fashion and lifestyle experiences come alive. Ritu Mehta, Center DIR.
I am Neha Pandey. I just came here to this Mega Model Hunt and I'm very excited to see everyone. The way it has been arranged. I can see all the fresh faces, beautiful faces, the confident models here, and I wish them all the very best for their future endeavors. Thank you so much. Neha Pandey. Hello everyone, I'm Neha Pandey.
Hi, I'm Prasad Bidapa and I'm at the Phoenix Mall of Asia, the biggest luxury destination in Bengaluru for the Phoenix Mega Model Hunt with Prasad Bidapa, that's me. Today, we are sending out 95 young models who've been trained over the last 10 days into becoming professionals ready to join the industry. We have different categories of them, from runway to print, body models for fitness, and just about every category you can think of, including television and film. So look forward to a great evening at the Phoenix Mall of Asia, where we'll put together a sizzling Bollywood festive show for you tonight. Welcome to the Phoenix Mall of Asia.
So how many models getting conducted?
And here there are 95 models being trained today in different categories. but we're putting all of them on the ramp tonight so that they make their entry into the industry in a spectacular fashion.